Welcome to AdPeekr. Sometimes you need to take a break from an alert or remove one entirely. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to pause and delete alerts on AdPeekr, all from one place. From your dashboard, click My Alerts in the left navigation menu. This is your ad subscription page, a full list of every advertiser you're currently monitoring, along with their channel type, category, follower counts, and how many new ads they've run. To pause an alert, find the advertiser you want to pause in the list. On the far right of their row, you'll see a toggle switch under the status column. It's purple when active. Simply click it to pause. The toggle will switch off, and AdPeekr will stop sending you alerts for that advertiser. No data is lost. Your subscription stays saved, and you can switch it back on any time. Just click the same toggle again, and your alert is live again instantly. To permanently remove an alert, click the red delete icon on the far right of the advertiser's row. This will unsubscribe you from that advertiser entirely, unlike pausing. This cannot be undone. You'd need to search for the advertiser again and subscribe from scratch if you change your mind. And that's it. Pause when you need a break, delete when you're done. Full control over your alerts, right from your My Alerts page. Thanks for watching.